Okay, here's why we reinvented microwave popcorn. First up, the yellow cake. That chunk is often made up of hydrogenated oils, fake butter, and lots of other weirdness. Some of it is even declared not safe to eat by the FDA. This one's almost invisible. Chemical coatings. Lipophobic coatings or plastics are added to make the paper bag oil-proof. Let's see what's hiding in there. What will happen when we microwave it? The susceptor. This patch of plastic and metal foil is used to increase heating. Super hot plastic next to your food. We started from scratch, we questioned everything, and rebuilt microwave popcorn our way. Organic and non-GMO corn from Nebraska. Coating-free compostable paper bags. Whole ingredients that you add on after popping. Oh, and crazy delicious flavors.